Let's make delicious lamb white rice, or call it mutton white rice. Delicious lamb white rice recipe. It has the bone. Lamb white rice recipe is finally here with at least 10-12 ingredients. Lamb leg meat. It was 13 pounds of the meat. I have chosen the good looking pieces with the bone marrow in here. That's gonna be so wonderful for this our white rice recipe. This is basmati rice. I have taken 2 cups of it. So first we will soak these rice. So we will take at least 2 cups of water, and this is the first step. We will add 2 cups of water in here. You will need a pot. We have to make our meat tender, right? We have to boil this meat. You can use a pressure cooker for this, or you can use a simple pot just like this. Take this meat and it's on the high flame. Just add it right here. All this meat. This is 3 pounds of the lamb leg meat. We will just add water. So at least 5 to 6 cups of water. Flavor this meat. Half tablespoon of turmeric. We'll take cinnamon. I'll say 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon, or if you have a stick, just add 1 whole big stick of cinnamon. This is dark black cardamom. It goes in here, and of course we will take a bay leaf in here. 5 seasoning powder. 1 tablespoon of 5 seasoning powder goes in here. So I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of the salt, and add it here. Let's boil this meat at least for 40 minutes. Check it after 30 minutes. So this is the first step. I will see you after now 30 minutes. Since our meat is boiling up, let's prepare for our rice. Once our meat is tender, what we have to do next? So we will need 1 large onion. The bigger the knife, the better it cuts. Hold your knife, put the tip here, and just push the onion in. Onions are sliced. We will have some fresh green chilies for it, and we will take at least 6-7 cloves of garlic again. I guess we just have to wait 30 more minutes for this to cook up. It's been at least 35 minutes. We have been boiling our meat with all the ingredients I've shared. Let's check the meat. I'm pretty sure it's tender. If your meat is not tender in 30 minutes, you can add some water more, but you still have to boil it. Grab any piece. The bone marrow, wow, looking good. So just by the touch, if it breaks itself apart, this is completely done. This is tender. Let's move to the delicious and easy part now. So here you go. It stops the cooking. Pan and a pot combo. Vegetable oil, regular. We will need at least 12 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And remember the garlic. Add it all together. This is mutton white rice recipe. We are not turning any color of the onion brown or light brown, nothing. Just saute. Once they get transparent, that's what it is. It's on the high flame. High flame means 350 degrees. We have boiled this lamb at 350 degrees at least for 35 minutes, and it's tender. Easy way to make onions transparent quicker. Put the lid on top. see a little bit transparency in there? That's what it is. We will take dahi, natural plain yogurt. 1, 2, 3 in here. Give it a stir. This is cumin powder, half tablespoon. Coriander grounded, half tablespoon. Mace powder, half tablespoon. Ground black pepper, half tablespoon. Half tablespoon of salt in here as well. 2 more bay leaves in here. I know you guys will be like, the bay leaves were there, but we are not putting those bay leaves in here. Cook it just for 5 more minutes. This is it's supposed to look. Let's grab our pot. Just scoop out the meat. And here you go. Give it a quick mix. Basmati white rice, it has 2 cups of water in here already. And add all these rice right here. Give it a quick mix so they get the broth, they get all the flavors. So here's the broth taste test. Whoa, perfect. 2 cups of water were there, right? This is the 3rd cup. Lamb white rice pulao. Green chilies, just dress them, just put them roughly on top. Some dried black raisins, handful maybe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Will bring the flavor and the color pop. Stove should be on medium. Cover it. We will check these rice after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes. Rice has risen up. We'll put the stove on to low. And they will be cooking for 15 more minutes on to low, or put it on to simmer and check back after 20 minutes. This is timely based cooking. This is eyeballing cooking. You eyeball this recipe and you make it. Delicious lamb white rice is completely ready. It took at least 1.5 hours, but this is home cooked delicious meal. Here's the moment of truth. Rice are looking fluffy, meat is super tender, bone marrow is right there. Moment of truth. Let's do the bare hand taste test. I'll give you the hungry bite first. So, from where to start? I'm confused. Let's try with this. Meat. Yes, sir. You can tell, right? Yes. Okay, bone marrow. Let me try to finish it. Right here. The raisin, the chili. It's gonna be make this recipe. It's delicious. It's beautiful. it's healthy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, do share this recipe with your friends and family, and bye bye for now. Let me enjoy this mountain. Make this recipe. This is lamb smell free, delicious lamb white rice recipe. It's awesome, man. 2 are down, 1 more to go with the delicious meat bite. Yum.